Turn a picture of your kid into a fantastic coloring page for your party in under 5 minutes. I love the free version of ChatGPT. There's so many GPTs you can use that are already all set up for you. So you're going to go to chatgpt.com and click on GPTs. And you're going to look for Coloring Book Hero. There it is. Just click on it. And now you're using a custom GPT that already has all you need to create a great, simple coloring book page for kids. So in Coloring Book Hero, you're going to upload a picture of your kid. Try it to be a very clear, good frontal picture of your kid. So we're going to turn Ben here into a fun superhero coloring page. We're going to use a simple prompt. Create a fun superhero coloring page inspired by the boy in the photo with a similar hairstyle, confident smile, and general look, standing heroically with his hand on his hips, wearing a cape and a mask. Let's see what it gives us. So I switched to my paid version of ChatGPT here, so I don't have to wait for the free version limit to reset. All right, here it is. Here's our superhero Ben. But I think I would like a bee on his shield. Put a bee on the shield on his chest. And I put a bee on the shield on his chest. I liked it, but I wanted something more. So I just said, add a city skyline in the back. And this is the image it created, and I absolutely loved it. This is what Coloring Book Hero will do. It will create this beautiful cartoon style, simple black and white picture of your kids with simple prompts that you don't have to think about. Just write what you want. We're going to take Ben here and we're going to try some of the prompts I put in the blog post. So now we're going to draw this child as a wizard casting a spell with sparkles and a wand and a pointy hat. Oh, he looks great! Oh, I didn't draw him complete. So I will say draw the full body, feet, and the top of the hat. Hey, that worked great. Now I have the same kid with a full body, so I'm going to try something else. Create a dinosaurs themed coloring page with this child riding a friendly T-Rex. Oh, it looks fantastic. It looks great. I love this picture. If you look at it very closely, you can see this line here is a little weird. And AI will do that. They will have some artifacts. So what you can do is take it into an image editing software. So you're just going to download it by clicking on here, and I'm just going to open it in Windows Paint. And that's super easy. Just erase, and this is the pencil if you want to add something. It's a lot easier to erase when you don't know what you're doing than it is to add things. So I mean, we could erase this, which is just kind of weird if we just erased that. Okay, that's a little better, but this line here doesn't make much sense. So if I erase this line, now this is all open, which would work this way. You could add the line here of the palm tree. You might have to finish it here. You could try to draw here, but it's really difficult with a mouse. I would say just erase the whole thing if it bothers you, or just leave it this way. Now you're just doing this for your kid, and your kid will love it this way. If this was for a coloring book you wanted to sell, you will have to go in and fix all those artifacts. Like this is not finished here. This tree obviously is kind of popping out of nowhere. Just look at it really close. Like this tooth is not quite right. So you'll have to fix all this, but this is just for your kid. This is for your party. So don't worry about it. They'll love it. And just save this, print it, and enjoy it. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website for party printables, party tips, and tons of freebies. See you there.